In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can NotebookLM transcribe audio? If you've been wondering whether NotebookLM can handle audio transcription, the answer is yes. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access that feature in a simple and practical way. The process is very straightforward, and once you know where to click, you can quickly upload an audio file and view its transcription inside your notebook. To begin, open NotebookLM in your browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main area where your notebooks are listed. If you already have a notebook prepared for this project, you're ready to continue. If not, just make sure you're inside the workspace where you want the audio to live, since the transcription will be tied to that notebook as a source. Next, click on the notebook you want to use. This is important because NotebookLM organizes your materials by notebook, so you'll want to choose the one where you plan to analyze, reference, or work with the transcribed content. Opening the correct notebook first helps keep everything organized, especially if you're working with multiple projects. Once you're inside the notebook, go to the left-hand panel and look for the option to add a source. Click that, then upload your audio file. This is the step where NotebookLM takes in the recording so it can process it as a source document. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a moment, so give it a little time if needed. It's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully complete before moving on, just to make sure the file is processed properly. After the audio has finished uploading, find the source you just added and click on it. When you open that source, you should see the transcription of the audio. This is where NotebookLM turns your spoken content into readable text that you can review and work with directly inside the notebook. From here, you can read through the transcript and use it as part of your research or note-taking workflow. This can be especially helpful if you want to pull information from meetings, interviews, lectures, or voice recordings without having to listen back to the entire file every time. And that's all it takes to transcribe audio in NotebookLM. Open the platform, choose your notebook, upload the audio as a source, and then click the uploaded file to view the transcription.